Engine compartment driver's side. 1. Oil. Pull dipstick check level. 2. General hoses driver's side. Good secured, no cut, no leak. 3. Gear-driven air compressor. Good secured, not cracked, not broken, no air leak. 4. Gear-driven power steering pump. Not cracked, not broken, no leak. 5. Power steering fluid reservoir. Good secured, not cracked, not broken, no leak. Proper level of power steering fluid, cap tight. 6. Steering shaft. Universal joints. Gearbox and hoses. Good secured, not cracked, not broken, no leak. No more than 2-inch play.